Let's take a look at the GoPro HERO12 Creator Edition Action Camera. This camera helps you get the most out of your moments, quite literally, with its large sensor that can capture a lot. And it can record using wide, tall or square orientation, saving you loads of editing time as you can upload those epic shots straight to your socials. The videos have an ultra-sharp 5.3 resolution and are recorded at an impressive 60 frames per second, giving you super fluid motion. This is further enhanced by the hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization, which makes even the shakiest of moments silky smooth. Now this is the Creator Edition, therefore it comes with a hand grip, light mod and a medium mod, which are all perfect for vlogging, filmmaking and even streaming. Every scene uses HDR to capture more light and shadow, meaning your videos will look incredibly lifelike. Also, it has an Enduro battery that lets you shoot for longer even in freezing temperatures. And when you're done shooting, you can easily edit your footage with the GoPro Quick app. There you can zoom in, crop, edit the aspect ratios and a lot more.